11 clever hacks that surprisingly work. Life is filled with challenges, obstacles, and annoying problems. However, by using these life hacks, we'll show you how you can turn difficult moments into easy ones. Welcome to LifeBeam, and today we'll be presenting you with 11 clever hacks that surprisingly work. Stay till the end of our video to learn all about these incredible hacks, and also subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like today. Without further ado, let's begin with our video. The 11th hack, magnetic no-slip back. Tired of everything falling out of your medicine cabinet? Grab some block magnets and place them all inside a cabinet, on the wall above the sink, or even on the sides of drawers as a catch-all for hairpins, tweezers, or other grooming tools. You can also stick one disc magnet to the bottom of a shelf and another on the lids of your medication to keep them securely in place. If the bag in your metal trash can is always falling down, use magnets to hold the bag in place. Just put the bag on normal while extending it down the sides. Then stick magnetic discs on top of the bag on the outside of the can for easy no-slip bags. If you have some sewing skills, add some magnets to the door and inside the towel to make a secure hanging rack. 10th hack, magnetic DIY toothbrush holder. Following up on our previous life hack, you can create a magnetic DIY toothbrush holder to prevent your current toothbrush holder from falling down. Line up some block magnets end to end on a wall, mount, or even the cabinet. Electric toothbrushes should stick easily to magnets, but for others, more standard brushes, just add a tiny screw or a metal washer to have it stick to the magnets. 9th hack, fixing your countertops. If you're sick of your plain or just outdated countertops, you don't have to invest in new ones. An easy, fast, and cheap project that makes a huge difference is simply to paint them using a little bit of primer, some acrylic paints that you can purchase for $1, a sealer, and a sea sponge. Using a sea sponge makes it almost impossible to mess up, and since the acrylic paint is so cheap, you can choose exactly the right colors and patterns for your kitchen. Depending on the way you choose to seal it, it may take a maximum of a few hours, so you can do it in your spare time to fix up your home the way you want it to look. 8th hack, best life hack for studying. Studying or working from home can be a quite daunting task when we have so many distractions. That's why you need to set up a digital learning environment for studying. By completing your work there repeatedly, you'll begin to establish a routine. Whether your workspace is a kitchen table, a library, or a corner booth at a local coffee shop, it's important to determine what type of environment will work best for you. Experiment to discover which type of setting boosts your productivity. Wherever you choose, make sure there's a high-speed internet access so you're not trying to take an online course over a lagging connection. 7th hack, use saliva and your phone to hang a gallery wall. If you want to learn the secret sauce on how to hang pictures for your gallery wall, then you've come to the right place. A gallery wall features the best pictures you want visible at home in just one wall. If you have old photographs, picture frames, and artwork stashed around your house, you can put it all on display with a trendy gallery wall. Arrange your pieces on the floor, purchase a frame for them, and slide them into the frame. Then the rest is hanging them on the wall, which you can use by nailing the wall and hanging the frames from the nail. Voila! There's your fantastic gallery right there. Now a good trick is to lick your middle knuckle and grab the hanger on the back of the picture with the wet finger. Press your knuckle against the wall, and when the picture is exactly where you want it, the saliva will leave a mark for placing a nail. And for picture frames, your phone can work like a small level or plumb bob. You can also download a level app, or your phone may already have a leveling app built into the operating system. You wouldn't want to build an addition with a phone level, but it can come in handy for a little leveling tasks around the house. 6th hack, accent wall. An accent wall is one of the oldest life hacks in the book for home decorators, as it adds a vibrant edge to your home without having to repaint an entire wall. Throw in a pop of color or a fun color to add contrast to the room. If you want to get slightly more advanced, use a couple of complementary colors and painter's tape to incorporate color blocking or other geometric designs. 5th hack, time blocking. Time management is more important than ever, but what's the best way to not get distracted and get things done by the end of the day in current times? It's called time blocking. Time blocking is one of the most effective ways to get things done. even if you're in quarantine or not. This time scheduling method is employed by some of the biggest and most powerful entrepreneurs in history, such as Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and many others. Time blocking is the practice of planning out every moment of your day in advance and dedicating specific time blocks for certain tasks and responsibilities. By scheduling every minute of your day, you not only guard certain tasks and responsibilities, by scheduling every minute of your day, you not only guard against distraction but also multiply your focus. Many YouTube tutorials explain how to do time blocking best, and we highly recommend you do it to stay productive and avoid distractions. Time blocking is a simple, flexible, and effective way to help you manage your time better and stay productive on a daily basis. Most importantly, time blocking helps you take control of your time. Fourth hack, 5 to-do list. Creating a cute, inspiring, artsy 5-task to-do list will help keep yourself organized. This is one of the best office life hacks for getting things done in the day without sidetracking. One of the most important reasons for keeping a to-do list is the organization. Organizing your tasks with a list can make everything much more manageable and make you feel grounded. Seeing a clear outline of your completed and uncompleted tasks will help you feel organized and stay mentally focused. All CEOs understand the value organization has for them, and that's precisely why they organize their to-do list to incorporate only their 5 most important tasks for the day. On top of that, these hacks aren't simply random actions they have to finish as fast as possible. They are structured precisely to prime their productivity as best they can. Third hack, scraping the ice trick. Do you ever encounter the nasty task of having to scrape ice off your windows? A 3-to-1 ratio of vinegar to water in a spray bottle will solve this problem. Simply spray the night before for no ice. Say goodbye to those annoying ice flows in your precious glass windows with this particular life hack. Second hack, plastic bottle faucet. Why invest in a faucet when you can upcycle your plastic bottles and create one yourself? A helpful way to reuse plastic bottles if you have children is to extend a sink spout so little arms can reach the water. Another way to recycle these bottles without so much than scissors and creativity. Just cut the bottle right around the edges so it can fit within the sink and then let the water come down streaming. First hack, plastic bag bed for your pets. If you want a fun life hack to upcycle your plastic bags, then listen to this one. Use your plastic bags to create the perfect bed for your dog or cat, which is both easy to make and easy to clean. Instead of stuffing your pet's beds with normal stuffing or filling, use plastic bags instead. You won't have to toss them into the washing machine. You can just wipe them down or even spray them off with a hose when you need to clean them. The bags will also keep the bed from smelling bad. So what's your opinion on these 11 clever hacks that surprisingly work? Let us know in the comments. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more great content like today. And don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.